Yeah, welcome back. So we did have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies made our way through the day today. And once again, we did stay dry and a lot warmer than we should be this time of year. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse as we keep a few passing clouds. Sometimes they get a little thicker. Other than that, we do have a few peaks of clear skies out there as of right now, but no moisture to speak of in terms of precipitation. We did make it close to 70 at Ogallala, North Platte, and Lexington today. Average high into the lower 50s this time of year, so we're well above that. 73 your high at Imperial and Thedford, and 76 up toward Valentine. Temperatures right now have cooled significantly for the second day in a row. 45 right now at Broken Bow, 46 Hyannis and North Platte, upper 40s out toward Ogallala, Imperial, and Lexington. Now, Valentine is at 57. They have a stronger southerly wind and more cloud cover up in that direction. Winds across the region mainly between 5 and 15 miles per hour, with that southerly wind really pumping in that warm air. Most of the clouds you can see from, say, Arnold, Broken Bow, up to Valentine, another band of clouds out toward Ogallala and Arthur. Everybody else has mostly clear to partly cloudy skies as we are staying significantly dry. So there are two jet streams across the country right now. We'll take a look at that a little later. One's in California, one's here into the south into Texas, and another one off to our north with less moisture. The lows are going along the Canadian border. We're in that huge warm sector, which is even being strengthened by this monsoon low. But our next weather maker still continues to be this cold front here that will move through during the late overnight to mid-morning tomorrow. So here's a look at the skycast as we make our way through the overnight. Temperatures falling back into the mid-30s. Mostly cloudy skies as we go through the day tomorrow. Most of the rain staying off to our west. High temperatures into the lower 60s. A stronger southerly wind, breezy to windy at times, but by this time tomorrow, we'll start to lose the clouds. High pressure will really quickly move into our viewing area. So we're starting off your Friday into the mid-20s because of that. But mostly sunny skies will be into the upper 50s and lower 60s again for Friday afternoon. It's only a brief cool down out there with some clouds lasting for only one day. So we're in the warm sector now. Here comes that strong cold front, increasing the clouds, some showers into the panhandle. But high pressure works its way in. It'll be cresting over us by say Friday evening, and then as it moves off to the east Saturday, we've got more of a southerly wind and temperatures back on their way up. So here's what we expect for the winter. It's basically the pattern that we have right now. You saw there's rain in the southwest, rain in the southeast. The question of how much snow we're going to get, it looks like we will have a milder winter and less snow from here and points off to the north, where that jet stream looks to keep mainly a ridge there, and any of the moisture really is going to be off to our south. That puts us into Oklahoma, northern Texas, where they can get some ice storms in that direction with this El Nino winter, and the polar vortexes. That really cool air looks to stay into portions of eastern Canada. Here's your forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy, slightly mild, should be into the low to mid-20s this time of year for lows. We're going to stay into the upper 30s. So mostly cloudy, windy tomorrow, a little cooler with high temperatures into the lower 60s, and then sunny, mild, and dry as we go through the day on Friday, as we're back into the upper 50s and lower 60s. Then for the day on Saturday, sunny skies, a high of 64. 54 on Sunday, partly cloudy, breezy with some showers possible. Maybe ending as some snow showers in the morning on Monday, then back to partly cloudy skies, windy northerly winds. We're into the upper 40s for Monday and Tuesday. The winds die down for Wednesday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, with highs getting into the lower 50s. Kent?
So we're going to stay this warm until maybe next week when we see a bit of a change.
Yeah, we're going to get back to closer to normal into the lower 50s to start next week.
All right, thanks, Justin. Asian longhorn ticks are spreading across the U.S.